Alright folks, this is a DIY on LUX Angel Eyes H8 bulbs for the e82 or the 128i. Mine's a 2012 year, so what I'm going to do is, first step, take out the intake air box so I can actually access the headlight housing unit. Now once the entire box is out, you have access to the housing unit. This right here. One clamp right here. There you go. This clamp right here, pull up and move to the side. Same thing on the other side. These two clamps are off. You can pull this cover out. Here is where the bulb comes out and you put in your new H8 bulbs. This did not actually fit in the original wiring. The two prongs were slightly off. You just need to take something and just move them a little closer so they match, and then you can put them together like this. Now this thing's the power supply that you can control. Snug it in somewhere here inside. Speaking of, you don't want to do this when it's raining or humid, because when you get moisture in your headlights and it seeps in, you're done, right? I'm gonna put this cover back on right here. Okay, it goes in same way you took it out, and then right here, let me see those? Right here is where those clamps go and rest.